If you need to block someone on Skrill, follow these simple steps to ensure your account remains secure and you avoid unwanted interactions. Step 1. Log into your Skrill account. Open the Skrill website or app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to your contacts. Once logged in, go to the contacts section. This is where you can view all your connections and transactions with other users. Step 3. Find the user you want to block. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Select the block option. In the user's profile, look for the option to block or remove them. Click on this option to initiate the blocking process. Step 5. Confirm the block. A confirmation prompt will appear to ensure you want to block this user. Confirm your choice, and the user will be blocked from contacting you or accessing your information. By following these steps, you can quickly block someone on Skrill and maintain your privacy. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Skrill's customer support.